Hi, I'm Ellen Swanson. I'm in 8th grade. I play Hill Murray soccer. I also do ski. I ski for Hill Murray. I'm in the middle school art tech club, and we do art. We do a lot of fun stuff. I decided to come to Hill Murray because it's a Catholic school. Overall, great. The teachers are really good here. They're really fun, and same with like friends. There's a lot of people here to meet new people. Definitely come here. It's a good academic area, and they teach you really well. Go Pioneers!
Hi, my name is Jackson Johnson. I'm in 8th grade. I've been at Hill Murray for 3 years, and the reason why I came here is because my parents thought it would be a good choice for me. I am involved with hockey and football, and I chose those two because I love the sport and I love being involved with stuff to do with the school. Two things that I like here at Hill Murray is I love how nice all the students are and the community, and then how good the teachers are to us to help us. Roll Pios!